Hi, hello guys, and welcome back to yet another Dyson hair video. I told you guys in the last one that I did not too long ago that I would be back for round 2, except this time using the smaller barrel. Last time I was using the larger of the two. So I am back to do the same exact technique, my favorite technique, but with the smaller barrel because the curls come out completely different in my opinion. And I'm gonna be doing my favorite technique, same technique that I did last time. So I am starting with dry, straight hair. I just washed and blow dried and flat ironed my hair last night, so it has not even been 24 hours and I'm already over the stick straight mane. So I'm ready to give it some life. I'm just gonna swap out the barrels and then we can go ahead and jump right in. I give a lot of context in the last Dyson video that I did about the technique, why I do it that way, why I like it that way. But the short and quick summary is I have naturally curly, coarse, frizzy hair, and I just genuinely prefer being able to blow dry it out straight completely, get it flat, get rid of the frizz, and then go in with the barrel and use it on dry hair. I think it is extremely underrated, and this is just my preferred way to use it. My also unconventional way of using it, I like to turn it upside down and wrap it like a wand. I think it works wonders. And once again, another underrated technique and way that you can use the Dyson that I personally swear by. I have the small barrel on. I am going to start with this front piece, dry hair, and I am not going to section. Okay, I think I actually need to move where this is plugged in because the cord is so tight, but highest heat, highest air, I wrap away from my face, leave it on for a bit, especially since this is the first time I'm curling or doing anything with my hair. And then I like to use the cool heat at the end, hold it, put it on for like 30 seconds, and then I like to hold the curl for a minute as I drop it off the barrel. I would say for the small barrel especially, I'm using small to medium sized pieces as I curl. And just hold it for a few seconds and then drop. So cute. I feel like this is pretty obvious. I probably don't even have to say it, but just in case, the curls are definitely tighter on the smaller barrel because it's smaller. And I know so many people talk about how they don't feel like the Dyson holds their hair very well, but I would highly, highly, highly recommend starting out with a smaller barrel if you're somebody who feels like it doesn't hold your hair well, and see what that does, because I love the larger barrel. I think it gives the most beautiful curls, but the smaller barrel, like hands down, definitely holds my hair the best. And I'm not using any product, one, because my hair is just so fresh, it wouldn't really even make a difference if I did. But I typically don't like to use any sort of product unless I have an event or I'm going somewhere, it's like really humid, or I really need my hair to hold. But otherwise, I love going product free. Already coming together so nicely, already making me feel like a new person. I love wearing my hair all different ways, but lately I've just felt my best and felt like prettiest when I have my hair curled. And I don't know about you guys, but I feel like going from stick straight hair, no product, to this is pretty good. Small barrel never disappoints, ever. I have a couple more pieces on this side, and then I'll switch the direction of the barrel and start on the other side. Okay, I mentioned this in the last video and probably all of my Dyson videos, but in case you are new here, you've never seen any of my other hair videos before, I have 2 rows of hand-tied extensions. I personally feel that that's a testament to the tool and how good it works, because I have a lot of hair on my head. So the fact that it curls all of this so well and holds so well, I just feel like shows you how well the Dyson works. Okay, but I think this is where I am going to switch it over to the other side. So super easy to do if you're not familiar with the Dyson. There's just a little twisty knob here, so I just twist it to the other side and make sure when I'm holding it down that it is pointed back. Almost done, getting closer to the end. This one's pretty quick as well, like to do my whole head. The larger barrel is the quickest. I can do that under 10 minutes. This one's probably closer to 15 just because I am taking smaller pieces, so it just takes a little bit longer to curl all of them, but nonetheless, still, in my opinion, a very quick and easy hairstyle. And once my hair is curled, I mean, it doesn't take nearly as long. I can knock that out under 10 minutes. It's just the initial like curling of all of my hair when it is stick straight. But just a couple more pieces up at the front, and then I'll see if I need any touch-up pieces and we will be done. I have so many baby hairs flying around because postpartum shedding and then regrowth. It's really fun, but you can see how much this side has fallen compared to this, and honestly I don't feel like it's much at all. I really just need to fix this front piece, but otherwise it does hold really well, and they're just so bouncy, and they're definitely tighter than the larger barrel, and I love how they turn out. And honestly, once I do my touch-up pieces, I will shake them out just a little bit, just kind of like lightly sort of tousle them, and then they're perfect. So I'm gonna do that really quickly, but I love the small barrel. She's so good. Okay, I'm obsessed with how the curls turn out every single time. I always think they're stunning, and I just love how bouncy and pretty they are. And again, this doesn't take long at all, 15 minutes or less, and they start out stunning. And these are ones that, because they start off so much tighter than the loose barrel, I think they're gorgeous, stunning, beautiful as they begin to fall. I know some people really don't like that, but I love it. I love it with both, but especially with the smaller barrel and these tighter curls. They're perfection as they start to fall. But they always hold really well for me. They always just turn out initially so good. I love the Dyson. I love the Dyson curls. It's like the best of both worlds for me, because I just could never get this bounce with just a curling iron or a wand. And I legit feel like a movie star, even though I'm just probably momming around the house in this current stage of life, making bottles and covered in spit up and doing tummy time. But thank you so much for tuning back in and watching. Love you, and until next time.